In this video, I'm going to show you how to set screen timeout duration and screen attention on Android. Begin first by opening up your Android settings app. My settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for display and touch and tap on it. In your display and touch settings, look for the subheading that says lock display and then tap on screen timeout. My screen timeout is currently set to 30 seconds. The lowest screen timeout duration is 15 seconds and it goes all the way up to 30 minutes, which is the maximum. Now, because I watch long form videos, I would like the maximum duration before my screen times out, which is 30 minutes. So I'm going to tap on 30 minutes. You'll then need to verify that it's you and your device. You can either use your PIN or a biometric. I'm just going to tap to use my fingerprint biometric. And there we go. We have set up a screen timeout duration of 30 minutes. It is important to keep in mind that a longer screen timeout will use more battery. The other setting that we can adjust in our screen timeout settings is screen attention. Screen attention prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. Currently that's toggled off. So whenever you're looking at your screen, no matter your screen timeout duration, your screen will stay on when you're looking at it. I'm going to toggle that on as that's quite a useful setting. There's a notification at the bottom that says screen attention uses the front camera to see if someone is looking at your screen. It works on device and images are never stored or sent to Google. So that's an important piece of information if you are privacy conscious. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to set screen timeout duration and screen attention on Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so